Hi, it's Micheline with Fit and Healthy for Yourself, and today, as is the last day for prep week for my upcoming sugar detox that starts on Monday, I want to talk about cheat meals. Cheat meals, usually I don't mind them, and I usually build them into my my planning. However, when you're on a sugar detox, you really don't want to put a whole cheat meal in. So basically, first of all, a cheat meal is one meal where you eat what you would like, what doesn't necessarily fit into your healthy lifestyle or in your calorie bracket, or it's not the healthiest food. However, it's not a cheat day. It doesn't mean you can eat all day what you want. It's just a cheat meal, just one, not 3 or 5. It's just one. And so people usually go completely overboard with cheat meals. And I build them in. Sometimes I actually do one. Sometimes I don't feel the need for one. But when you go to sugar detox, because it's no matter if you're doing it cold turkey or if you're cutting back gradually on your sugar, you still don't want to build in an entire cheat meal where you completely flood your body with a crazy amount of sugar. So therefore, if you're just gonna have one little thing, that's fine. Like I said before, when I do a detox, I usually do it gradually because I'm not a cold turkey kind of person. So I will usually allow myself a little piece of chocolate or a spoonful of ice cream, something little a day if I feel the need for it. It doesn't mean you Snicker bar that big. It means a little piece, one little piece. That's usually all your brain sometimes needs to kick the sugar craving. In the beginning, I usually have it every day. I feel like it, and then I usually cut back, and by the end, you really don't need it. And then I usually, if I feel like, that's when you go to a party or something, you have a little bit of have a cupcake or something small. That's perfectly fine. That's, I guess, would consider a cheat meal, but it doesn't mean you can have an entire gallon of ice cream. That's not a cheat meal. So therefore, for a sugar detox, I would only suggest doing a small little thing. I wouldn't suggest going overboard on a whole cheat meal. That will just flood your entire body and will just kind of negate all the results or everything you worked for until then. So I hope this helped. This was Micheline with Fit and Health for Yourself, and I'll see you next time.